Hello again. Wow. Today is the second day raining from the summer season. Today is May 7th. Wow. It's so lovely rain. I won't complain it. The ground is a little bit wet. Then the rain started almost 15 minutes ago. It's beautiful. And Philip just done cutting there. This is not done yet. He did a big, huge area. Wow, fantastic rain. Wow, thanks heaven for the rain. My flowers they're so happy maybe now. So they drink water. In fact, I did not water them. I'm so happy. Wow. So nice. The ground is wet. Yep. And there's a wind. A little bit wind. And I did not feed yet the animals. It's already here at almost 9 o'clock in the morning. And our dog here, he feels chill. And Philip inside watching the movie. Wow, very, very nice. And I think I don't need to water to my garden. What? What? The ordinary noodles? Daily? Ordinary noodles? Okay, I can do that after this one. Nice heavy rain. A very nice heavy rain. Okay guys, this is good for today again. This is Annabeth Mitzler from Gardening Farming in Philippines. And thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day guys. Bye bye. See you next day.